Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a little unboxing for you guys. This is actually a gift that I got for myself for my birthday. It's something that I had been eyeing in a different style though, and once I saw this one I was like, okay, I think I'm gonna get this one for sure. So I have not opened it at all. I just took like my address and stuff off of it. So this is literally going to be a true unboxing. I have not seen this item in person ever. I haven't actually seen it on anyone. Recently I did see one YouTuber share it in a different color though, but I have not really seen it like on Instagram or anything like that. So I just saw it online and was just like, oh, that's different. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the box open. Also, thank you to all of my new subscribers. We just hit 12,000 subscribers, so thank you all so much. I know a few of you came over from Sharika's channel, so thank you guys and welcome. I appreciate you guys coming over and showing me some love, and thank you, Sharika, for sending your subbies my way. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much, and we are just growing and growing and growing, and I'm just so excited for this channel. So just wanted to mention that. So here we go. All right, so it's from Prada. They actually put it in a bag. That's pretty cool. Sure, Sefton will want that bubble wrap, so I'll save that for him. All right, so here it is. And it just has a little ribbon tied on top. And this is probably like my first item I've ever purchased from Prada, from like the actual Prada store. Now, years ago, I did have a Prada backpack, but I purchased that from Saks. So this is the first time I've ever purchased anything from the actual store. And so it comes in a dust bag like this. Oh, it's so cute. So, all right, so this is the 2006 re-edition. But I originally was looking at the 2005, I think. But I saw this one and I love the shape. I thought it was super cute. I love anything with a top handle and a long strap, so that was perfect for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take the paper off so we can see how it looks. All right, so just turn it around. All right, so here it is. It does come with a little ring. I guess this is like a little, yeah, like keychain. And then on the back, it does say Prada Re-Edition 2006. Strap. This strap is removable. I will put in some pictures of me, like some mod shots for you guys. But you can undo it this way and put the straps up higher if you want to. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the paper out, and then let's see what fits inside. So you get the authenticity card here. And I think they also put, yeah, and they got another little card in here with some information on it. And that's all in this little envelope that says Prada. And this is just like a little care booklet. So let's get the paper out. And let's see. So the bag that I'm currently carrying is my Pochette Métis. So I'm gonna see what I can fit in here. So I just have my wallet, my keys, hand sanitizer, lip gloss, hand cream, lip balm, AirPods, and sunglasses, gum, and ink pen. Oh, and then this little mini Buxom lip gloss is in here. So everything that was inside of my Pochette Métis fits inside this bag. You just zip it up. Super cute little shape. It's perfect. It's like the perfect little like mom bag. This is a bag that I can just wear carefree, crossbody, but I can also throw it in like a larger bag, like a diaper bag if I needed to. Also, you can take these chains off and just wear it like as a little nice evening bag, which I think is great. So it instantly turns into just like a little cute night out, date night bag. And then the strap instantly makes it a day-to-day bag, which is what I'll be using it for mostly. But I'm really happy with my decision to go with this one over the other one, which I do love, and I've been seeing all over Instagram, and that's why I was so drawn to it. But once I saw this one, I was like, nope, I'm getting this one instead. I'm not even gonna entertain that one. This one is definitely more my style, I think. Also, I do not have any like small black bags in my collection. Like the black bags that I had, I've sold. So yeah, all of my black bags that I had in my collection I sold. So this is gonna be the first one that I'm adding, and I'm really pleased with the purchase. I love it already, and I haven't even worn it. Oh, also on the strap, it does have like a little leather shoulder strap here, which will be nice and comfortable. But again, I will include mod shots for you guys so you can see how it looks on me in case you're interested. I will leave a link for you guys below in case you want to get your hands on it. It does come in a tan as well, and I think a pink maybe, but I ultimately decided to go with the black just because it's just carefree. It's nylon. I don't have to worry about it. It's the perfect size. Again, you saw everything that I put inside of it, and it fits everything that I need. So I'm happy about that, and I like how versatile it is. I like that you can take the straps off and wear it as like a little nice evening bag, or even just like in the crook of your arm. It's super cute. I feel like it's the perfect size. And yeah, so yeah guys, I know this video was super quick, but I wanted to come on and share with you all my newest addition to my collection. If you have any questions or comments, just list them below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.